Howdy, howdy, y'all. Hellfire here. So we're getting ready to ring in the new year. It is New Year's Eve, and I've been working, I don't want to say very hard, but I have decided that I'm putting my Christmas present from my parents into use. I have a new Samsung SSD, and my brother Andrew has been helping me get everything together, and it's proven difficult on trying to open up the case and stuff. But I have everything switched over onto the new driver, and I'm going to leave the other driver in there, but I'm going to switch them. I don't know if anybody actually cares, but we're going to do it anyway and show you, because I couldn't show you the first part of the process because you can't talk on the phone on Discord and record at the same time and have your computer down, because I don't have a professional camera yet to record. So we're going to do it. I'm pretty excited. I haven't been able to get a hold of my brother, so we're just going to do it. I don't know if I'm supposed to turn on my laptop again or if I can just go ahead and do it, but we're just going to go ahead and do it. What's the worst that can happen, right? Yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to get you situated. Okay, y'all. So I've already unplugged everything from here. Go ahead and actually get rid of the mouse one as well. I do need to clean this baby off, but not always an option. As you can see, I have been transferring. This is my old one. No, sorry, this is my new one. This is my old one. I'm already confused and I haven't done anything yet. Alright, so actually going to make this easier for me. Sorry. I guess I'm just going to switch them. Now, I don't have enough screws for everything, but we should be okay. As long as I don't hear my brother actually ping me or anything, I think we're okay. So we're just getting rid of the 2 screws here because we did the transfer. Put these 2 with those 2. Try to keep things separated. And I don't have extra screws for this, so I had to take 2 of the mounting screws off of here and put them on here. And I'll show you in a minute what that looks like. So I have all the screws out. This is my new one. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it. You see, isn't it pretty? Now we had to use screws on the side. I don't know where my camera's at. We had to use them on the side as opposed to top mounting because they weren't lining up properly. I'm going to go ahead and set that there. I'm going to go ahead and take this one out and put it on the other side. So I'm not getting rid of any of the things. So it looks like I'm going to have to do the same thing for that side as I did this side. See, now nothing fits. So now I'm going to have to take the side mounted screws off. And I'm going to have to switch these completely around. So, because they're meant to go in like this. And apparently just switching them around does not do it. And I've already been dealing with this one, so I feel comfortable actually handling it now. Now, typically I don't recommend doing it this way, like off of a table, but my screwdriver does the, has the magnetic thing on it, so the screws don't fall off. I don't know if you can see that or not, probably not. That's okay. So there's my driver. So it needs to be flush with it. Alright, so we're going to try top mounting these. Okay, so I just had to turn it around in the case. So that's good. Alright, so this is all plugged in. So now I'm just going to do the things you're not supposed to. Like, go ahead and put this back completely together so you can kind of see the process, and then I will turn my computer back on. Alright, so now I have to do this one. And I'm hoping it's going to be as easy as the other one, to just flip it around. I think I'm okay touching this one for the most part. I don't know what's happening with my life right here. Alright, so I'm going to put that down. Take the case off. See, this one's like all naked and stuff. So I guess I'm going to turn it around and side mount these. So instead of mounting on the top, I'm going to mount on the side. So I just got to line everything up. Just have to make sure the card is in here, or the driver is in here fine. Like flushed. Yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to say. So I'm doing the ones on the hard, like the plug-in side, because I had to use 2 of these to get this mounted. So we're going to go ahead and stick this in there. Perfect fit. I wish I had a better camera angle for you guys, but perfect fit means that all the holes, yes, that all the holes are matching up properly. Because before, like, it was back here, so I had to switch them around in the case to make sure they fit right. We have big learning curves here. So now I'm just going to screw it in here as my dog checks to see what I'm doing. And I just stripped that, didn't I? Just a little bit. Notice how I'm not doing just one side or the other at the same time. I'm going diagonal. Yeah, my brother's calling. Oh well. We're going to go ahead and take this piece and we're going to put it back on. Now, when I was getting this piece off, I had to use a flathead screwdriver to get under here and kind of pull it apart. You may have to do it as well. This is the first time this computer has been opened up. Okay, that didn't. Kind of like that. This was not going down. Okay. You do it however you can get it back down on here. Now there's a little screw in here that I definitely didn't fully take out. There you go. Good as new. We're just going to hope that it starts up all right. It's a massive laptop. It's an Asus Republic of Gamers. I don't remember what the model is, but I would assume that most of them are about the same. And this is the final note. We're going to see if it works. Sorry for the messy space, y'all. Well, it looks like it's loading Windows, so I think we've won. Yep, We won. Alright guys, I hope that this helps anyone that needs to be helped. I don't know if it's informative or just, me trying things, but y'all have a good New Year's Eve. I'm excited. I now have two drivers in that are 1 terabyte each, so now I have 2 terabytes to play with. I really don't know what this is. So you guys have a good one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see what other nonsense I get into. Bye.